After all your work of planting each itty bitty flower seed and then spending a bunch of time taking care of the plants and babying them along, I'm pretty sure that the last thing you want to do is just take some scissors and chop them all off. I know, they're your little babies now. But guys, you just want to trust me on this. It's the best thing that you can do for your branching type varieties of flowers, and it's something that you should do. Now, I don't know what you think of when you hear that you need to pinch your flowers. When I first started, I thought, let's just take off the top leaf or something. But no, that's not gonna cut it. You want to get aggressive, bold, and just take out those plants. Let me show you how this is done. These guys are a little bit big. Usually I pinch when there's only 3 to 4 sets of leaves, and they're about this big. But there's no bud, so we can go ahead and do these anyway. What you're trying to achieve here is lots of low basal branching. And wherever it is that you cut, if you cut here, you're going to get branching out from the sides here. If you cut here, you're going to get branching all the way down at the bottom here, and that's what you're going for. This will help you get multiple long stems off your plants instead of just 1 or 2 main stems. So your goal is to get right above the bottom set of leaves, right at the base. But be careful, because if you take that bottom set of leaves out, you just killed your plant. Oh no! That one is a perfect example right there, because it was just such a clean cut, and you can see where the little guys are gonna sprout from. It's just a really awesome one. So how do you know which varieties you need to pinch and which ones you just leave? To make it easier, I've compiled a list of flowers that you can go and see if your variety that you're trying to grow is on that list, and it will tell you whether you need to pinch or not to pinch. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, comment. What else do people do?